All right, grade 2, we're going to do cool it down experiment. So I'm going to show you what you need and how to do it. So first, I've got measuring cups. This guy right here is 1 cup, and we need a cup of milk. Here is my friend's milk that he gave me because I didn't have milk. So I need a cup of whole milk. That is close to a cup. Should actually have a little bit more than that, but I'm using what I have. So I have a cup of cold milk. We need a teaspoon of vanilla. So this you will need to buy. It is in the grocery store close to all the baking materials like baking powder and sugar and tins and stuff, everything you need for baking. This will be there. It's a liquid. We only use a little bit of it because it is the flavoring of vanilla, just a tiny bit. So what we need is 1 teaspoon, which is tiny. It's only 5 milliliters. This is 236 milliliters, and we only need 5. So very small. I've got this guy. He's about a teaspoon. If you don't have a teaspoon, try and don't put that much, but 5 milliliters. I also need a tablespoon of sugar. So do you see the difference between my tablespoon and my teaspoon? Much different size. So, and then we need a small plastic bag. Now I have a large plastic bag and a small plastic bag. The small one needs to fit inside the large one. So the way that we do this is I need a tablespoon of sugar. Here is my tablespoon of sugar. Now I need a teaspoon of vanilla, just a tiny bit. Okay, teaspoon of vanilla. That gives it some vanilla flavor. And make sure I close that. And I have my cup of milk. And I put it inside. There's my cup of milk, my sugar, and my vanilla. I am going to seal that the best I can. I really want it to be sealed. No leakage going on here. Okay, I'm going to pause real quick. Oh, where is it? And there it is. All right, so I just cleaned up the little bit of vanilla that I had left over. So right now I have my bag of milk, sugar, and vanilla inside my small bag. I've got my large bag. I don't need my sugar anymore. I can put it away. I don't need my vanilla anymore. I can put it away. And my milk, all gone. Don't need that anymore. What I need to do with my large bag is I need to put in 12 ice cubes. You can try and fit more in there. What we need is ice inside, and my small bag needs to fit in here with the ice. So it needs to be put in there together. So I'm going to try and fill this guy up with as much as I can so that there's still space for my small bag. It says about 12 cubes. I've got more than 12. Well, I will have more than 12. I'm going to try and put 15. Let's see how this goes. It's already melting. I just need to make sure that this is going to fit. That's at least 12. Okay. I'm going to stop there. So we've got about 12, 15 ice cubes in there. My next ingredient is I need 2 tablespoons of salt. Here's my salt. As you can see, I'm getting salt everywhere, so make sure you are able to clean it up or have it in a good spot where you're not going to make a lot of things dirty. There's we can have 1 tablespoon of salt. put it on your ice, and another tablespoon of salt. Remember what I did last time with my experiment? I took the top off so that I don't have to shake it so much, and I can just dump it on there. Oh, too much. Whoa, Mr. Chris, you're making a mess. Here's my 2 tablespoons of salt. I put it on the ice. Now I'm putting my small bag of vanilla, sugar, and milk inside the big bag. Seal it up really well. And now I can put on some music. I can do whatever I want, but I need to shake this. You can see in the camera, I'm going to shake this for about 10 minutes. Keep on shaking, listen to some music, shake, shake, shake. I'm going to pause this while I'm shaking. Shake for about 10 minutes. So here we go. I'm going to pause while I'm going to shake and listen to music. All right, so I've been shaking. I even put it in the freezer for a minute. My hands are really, really cold. I've only been shaking and moving it for about 5 minutes right now. I'm not sure if it's going to be ready yet. I'm still going to shake it a little bit. Maybe if your hands get really cold, have somebody else shake. Here in Panama, the ice melts very, very quick. So it's pretty much water. There's still ice in there, but I'm still going to shake for a while. I'm going to try and do it as long as I can. My hands are freezing. I need somebody else to shake. Only had some more family members here to shake. Oh, I'm going to pause for a little bit and come back and see what my creation is. Here we go. Pause it. All right, here I am, still shaking. I found a way to do this so my hands don't get as cold. I'm holding on this side and holding on this side. It seems to be doing really well, and my hands aren't getting cold. So I'm still shaking. Been doing this for about 8 minutes now. Because we're in Panama, it drips a lot, even though my apartment is, the AC is on, it's still really hot. So it's gonna drip, just water. You can clean up really easy. Maybe I'll have 2 more minutes of doing this. My hands aren't as cold anymore, so that's good. I'm gonna pause, and then next time, I'm going to see what did I create, and I'm gonna taste it. All right, so it's been about 9 minutes. It's been cold and shaking and moving. So now I'm gonna open my big bag. I have a paper towel here so I don't make a mess. Maybe you might want a plate or a bowl. And I'm gonna pick out my small bag, try and get everything to drip. Ooh, my liquid is almost a solid now. I wonder what happened. Okay, this bag is wet and watery. I'm gonna close this up so I don't spill any of it somewhere. Put it somewhere safe, probably in the sink. So I've got my bag, my small bag here. I'm gonna open it up. What? Here's my spoon. Whoa. Pick it up. A little taste. Oh, whoa. Wow. So, let's fix that camera. There we go. What did we just create with milk, vanilla, sugar? Oh, wow. That's pretty good. So, let me know how it goes. I know the measurements, not very easy. You might even have to estimate a little bit. But why did I get these liquids to turn all of a sudden into a solid? And what was the point of putting the salt? Why do I need so much salt? So, let me know what your hypotheses are. What is it that we just created? And is yours as tasty as mine? All right, guys, enjoy and guten appetit.